Stop wasting time with outdated methods and start using these game-changing construction technologies. Let's dive into some revolutionary tech you can't afford to miss. First up, Sculptform Click-on Cladding. This system snaps into place, making installation quick and easy while giving your projects a sleek, modern look. Next, we have Schöck Combar. Forget rust. This reinforcement bar is non-corrosive and twice as strong, perfect for harsh environments like underground tunnels. Ever thought about an underground cellar? Revonia's modular system makes it a breeze to install a hidden gem right beneath your feet in just a few days. Want a serene water feature without the upkeep? Pondless registered trademark waterfalls offer a beautiful, low-maintenance solution that transforms any space into a tranquil oasis. And don't forget the zip system. From roof assemblies to window flashing, this all-in-one sheathing and taping solution saves you time and prevents leaks. These innovations are transforming the industry and making projects faster, safer and more efficient. So, which one will you try first? Hit that subscribe button for more cutting-edge construction tech tips.